You're a tattoo artist, you already know you need to be consistent on social media. I'm not gonna say the common sense bullshit that most of these coaches are gonna say. But stop focusing on the likes, comments, followers, and thinking that going viral is going to change your life. It is not, despite what you might think. All right? Trust me from experience. I thought it was gonna fill my books. I thought I was gonna get sponsorships, opportunities. I went viral 3 times, both my paintings and my tattoos. Did not make a sale for a painting. Did not even sell a tattoo. Virality does not equal profits for a passionate artist. It's only for the clout chasers. If you're passionate and you do it for the art, stop chasing clout and instead start chasing your passion more. All right? If you're passionate, you know you need to develop your art and you need resources, you need a network, you need mentors to do that stuff, right? And you need money to do that stuff. So you need to get paid for your passion. And if you're not, if you're still using the old school approach and you know that it's not working like it used to, I've got a new school approach and I put together a 15-minute free video you can check out below this or in the link in my bio. All right. This is how I've been able to generate 2K, 3K, 5K client projects from social media and charge pro team level pricing. This works for any kind of tattoo artist, obviously various results, but it works with any kind of tattoo artist, whether it's pro team or whether you just got out of a professional apprenticeship. It doesn't work for tattooers in the house, obviously, but it works no matter the location, no matter the shop style. Check it out. I think you're gonna like it. It's free, and I'm not sure how long I'm gonna put it up for, but it's my approach. I hope you enjoy.